Hello viewers, today we will see how to design a circuit with Fritzing. So at first I am going to Fritzing. So this is Fritzing website. This is a very nice software for designing very uh, nice circuit diagrams, and we can also design this with breadboard diagram and others. So I am going to this download. Here is pay and download. I will not pay, so I'm going here to login. I have created an account and now I am on login. Okay, now I will download, and this is saying to pay and download. I am clicking, I have already paid, and now I am clicking here for download. So I will download for Windows. So this one will be downloading, and this is the zip file. I will download it in a software, and so it will be downloading. That's right. Is Fritzing, and you need to extract this in here. I've already extracted this, and this one is the extracted file. So this is extracted Fritzing file. So I'm opening it, and here you will see the Fritzing. And now I will click on here. Okay, so this is the interface of Fritzing. Here we can make several types of diagram. Number one, breadboard diagram. Number two, this is schematic diagram, and we can also design PCB diagram, and we can also write code and simulate. So at first I will try a breadboard diagram. So I will search here a Arduino. This one is an Arduino Nano. I am checking here. We can rotate it. Okay, that is rotated. This is Arduino Nano. Another device like DIU Profile. Yes, this is here. This one is a F20050, which is a gyroscope. I am also rotating it. Okay, here I am seeing the ground. I am connecting it with a ground, and this one also has ground. I am connecting it with ground. You can zoom it also. Control and plus will make it zoom. Okay, this one is VCC. I am connecting it, and I will make it wire color as red. I might be this one's like I have to pick up. Yep. Okay. So the VCC and grounds are connected, and other things I can connect. Okay, that's like we can design a Fritzing schematic, and we can also take snapshot with snipping tool and use circuit and saving that somewhere in my desktop. I have saved, and you can also save the schematic. Control S between the save array.fzz file. I am setting this into 6z50 as xz. Okay, this one has already saved. So I am giving it this one is in, and this is my works on it. Let's try to drag and drop. And another thing, I can add labels here. Just right click here, and I can also click here add. So click here and you will find it right here. I cannot read it. Okay, that's nicely it will work. And I'm clicking on this, then it will accept. Okay, thank you. Myself, Tajim, lecturer, CSE department, Capital International University. এখানে আমার ওয়েবসাইটের অ্যাড্রেস দেওয়া আছে, আপনারা চাইলে দেখে নিতে পারেন। যাদের ভালো লাগলো তারা অবশ্যই শেয়ার করবেন এবং কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাবেন, এবং যাদের খারাপ লাগলো তারাও জানাবেন কোন জিনিসটা খারাপ লেগেছে। আমি পরবর্তী টিউটোরিয়ালে নিজেকে শুধরে নেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। এবং পরবর্তী লেকচারটি দেখার জন্য অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং সাথে থাকার জন্য ধন্যবাদ।